Good morning everyone. It's 6:27 a.m. I know it's a pretty specific time to wake up in Sunday, but trust me, it's worth it. Today I'm heading to beach to grab some fresh fish straight from the fishermen. Let's go. As the sun climbs higher, the fishermen are already out at sea, their boats rocking with the waves. The golden light makes everything look like a painting. This is why I love mornings by the sea. After taking in the sunrise, it's time to head to the market. There's something special about starting the day early. Everything feels fresher, quieter, more alive. Reaching the beach, I am greeted by the sound of fishermen calling out their prices. Wow, the scent of the ocean still clinging to the fish. The market is waking up just like the sun, full of energy and life. There's just something amazing about this place. The salty breeze, the sound of waves, and sight of all this fresh fish. You can literally see how fresh everything is. I think I have found the perfect one for today. Walking through the market, I see all kinds of seafood. There are shiny silver mackerels, pomfrets, and big meaty tuna ready to be sliced. The prawns are still jumping, and the crabs are slowly crawling in their baskets. You can even smell the ocean in the air. It doesn't get fresher than this. I am honestly spoiled for choice. Okay, so while I'm here, I spotted these gravy pots made for sand material. Cooking in these gives food such an amazing flavor. It's like a secret ingredient no one talks about. One feels just right. Can already imagine the fish gravy shimmering in this. And of course, no trip to the market is complete without some fresh fruits. Just look at this. I picked up some muskmelon, apples, grapes, papaya, and pomegranate. I keep things balanced, right? And that's it. Fish, clay pot, and fresh fruits. Now it's time to head home and get cooking. If you like this little morning adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.